Okay, so today I'll be talking about an application called MacLight. MacLight is a status bar application, and it allows me to select a colour, and the lighting in the room will reflect that colour. Now that's the first half. The second half of MacLight is it will sample the screen, find the average colour at this moment in time. As an example, I'll show you a film. This is the social network, and have a look at just how it captures the atmosphere of the room.
Did you know there are more people with genius IQs living in China than there are people of any kind living in the United States? That can't possibly be true. It is. Who would account for that? Well, first, an awful lot of people live in China. But here's the question. How do you distinguish yourself from the population of people who all got 60?
You can ignore that the colours look a bit different on the camera. In real life they do line up. I don't know why. It must be something to do with white balance. So that's one example, capturing the atmosphere of a film. The next example is a scene from Kick-Ass, which will show you that in an action scene, or where there are lots of camera flashes, it can really change the room. So you can imagine how the whole room lights up. So MacLight is open source, developed by me over only a short period of time. The LED lights are just affixed to the back of the monitor, and they're controlled over serial by an Arduino. All this code is on GitHub.